Let's program our own crypto token. I know there are lots of good videos using Orion tools, but I will show you a cheaper way and a way that opens up a lot of possibilities. I will explain everything in Solana's developers net, so there is zero risk of losing money, but no worries, I will show how to switch to the mainnet in the end. I will be working on a Windows laptop where I have admin rights. If you get stuck or have questions, then drop them in the comments below. I will be happy to help, or maybe someone in the community will. So let's get started. If you don't have VS Code yet, open your browser and download it here. Next, I will follow large parts of the Solana documentation. I'm on Windows, but I will need Linux to run everything. So we will set up the WSL. This lets us run a Linux distribution virtually. Let's open PowerShell as an admin and copy paste the following command. It will take care of the setup for you. When you scroll down a bit, you'll find that you need to install the WSL extension in VS Code. Just go to extensions in the left menu and you will find it. Let's set our username and password. Here's our VS Code. Click on the bottom left blue button, then you will see the drop-down on the top where you select Connect to WSL. Now it looks like we are working in Windows, but actually we are connected to our Linux environment. When you look in your file explorer, you will see Linux with the Ubuntu distribution. Double-click Home and there you are. Now we need to install a bunch of dependencies. I will just copy-paste these from the official Solana documentation. I will install Rust, Solana, CLI, Node.js, and Yarn. Let's install Rust. You can see my Rust version, but you already saw it earlier when the installation was done. Now install Solana CLI. I'm not really going to use it, but it's a nice toolbox to have. Again, make sure to set your path. Just close PowerShell, open a new one, type WSL, we will skip the answer. Let's install Node.js and Yarn. Let's go to VS Code. You can open a terminal in VS Code by Ctrl-Shift-P and look for terminal, create new terminal. I'll create 3 files: jsconfig.json, create/wallet.tc, mint.tc. Later, a file named secret.json will be created by the create/wallet script. You will see in a bit that I had to create another script because I tested too much, but you will see later. For now, just copy-paste the content of the three files. Create/wallet.tc will create a local wallet and request an airdrop. You can import these wallets in your Phantom or other tools. Mint.ts create and mint the tokens and revoke the authorities for freeze and mint. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics that I should handle, then let me know in the comments. Let's take a look at the create/wallet.tc script. On top, you will find the used libraries. If they have a red line, then you probably still need to install them with this comment in the terminal. Always good to restart your TypeScript server afterwards. Type Ctrl+Shift+P. Choose TypeScript Restart TS server. We will create a new keychain with the Solana library and show it in the terminal. We will save the secret in a JSON file so we can use it later. The airdrop will request some SOL on the DevNet so we can use our newly created wallet. Let's run this from the terminal. You can see that my wallet got created, so that's great, but the airdrop failed. I'll speed up the video a bit and explain what happened. This happened to me, but shouldn't happen to you because I ran this script multiple times and I went over my daily number of free dev SOL, so I decided to test to get only 10% of what I have in the script. 10% is plenty to set up a token, but because the wallet creation and airdrop are in one script, I had to split it. So now I have a separate request /airdrop.ts that will use my already created wallet. Let's now run this new script. Remember, you probably won't need this. In this link, you will see the transaction on the blockchain. When you open it, you will see it's on a DevNet. The transaction is finalized and the airdrop's destination address. On this address, you can see it holds 0.1 SOL. We've got our wallet and our test SOL. Let's now create a brand new token and mint it. Again, libraries are on top. We get the secret from our secret.json file, but you see that I treat it as a dictionary while it isn't a dictionary yet. Let's just change that in a secret.json file. I've done this because I had multiple secrets to handle. Here, we have set our metadata. It's the dress to impress phase of token creation. You could keep it super basic, but you can extend it with a website logo and other elements. For that, go to pinata, login, click IPFS files and add a JSON file like this one. The image URL is just another file that I uploaded here. The logic is split in two pieces. First, we create and mint, and only then we will revoke the freeze and mint authority. In the creation part, you can set things like sales fee and the amount. In the second phase, we revoke the mint and freeze authority by setting the account that has this authority to null. Now we run it with ts/node mint.ts. You get a success message. Let's have a look at the blockchain. We will see our free SOL got decreased and we find our new token. You could recreate this token endlessly. There is no need to have a unique name. This was just an example. To do the same in the mainnet, just comment out the DevNet line and use the mainnet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like to support this channel, consider grabbing some AlpShare tokens. Your support means a lot. If you've ever wondered how to get the private key of a wallet, then click this video.